Welcome friends, today we will unbox a brand new Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. As you know, Xiaomi provides the best features in reasonable price. Note 9 is also a combination of some exciting features. Redmi Note 9 is close relative to the Redmi Note 9S. Okay, let's start unboxing it. It's a white color box with Redmi Note 9 images on box. Here there is a file. Let's see what's inside in it. Okay, and there is a warranty card which is generally for 1 year. And a user manual that will guide you how to use the device. Here it's the device which has 6.53-inch IPS LCD. Its weight is only 199 gram. Gorilla Glass 5 front, plastic back and frame, water repellent coating, 48 megapixel main camera and 13 megapixel selfie camera, and 5020 mAh battery. There is a power adapter which rated at 22.5 watt, but the phone itself caps at 18 watt. Xiaomi uses that charger for more than one devices, so it's a universal plug for Xiaomi device. There is a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. Okay, let's concentrate on device. This device was announced on April 30th, 2020 and released on May 12, 2020. As mentioned earlier, its weight is only 199 gram and dual SIM. It has sensor like fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity compass. You will find it in 3 color: forest green, midnight gray and polar white. MIUI version is 11 and Android version is 10. It can be with 64GB ROM, 3GB RAM and 128GB ROM with 4GB RAM. Huawei can offer phones with updated chipset no more. Besides, no Google app is a pain in the neck. So in my opinion, Xiaomi is better deal at this moment. That's all for today, viewers. If this video helps you, please subscribe our channel and press the bell to get all upcoming video notifications. Be with us. Thank you.